Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review and show you how to install this HEPA filter on this Stanley wet dry vac. Here's the part number and it says it's for 5 to 18 gallon. This is a 6 gallon and the model number is SL18116P. So here's everything that comes in the box. It comes with this adapter and here's the filter. Now the nice thing it does say it's washable and it's reusable. That's a pretty nice feature. Real quick, let's just get measurements. So that is 6-inch opening. Depth-wise, you're about 6.5. And overall, you're right at about 7.25, 7.5. Okay, so let's open this up and install it. Let's take the lid off again. We're going to take this off. You know, this works, but this is not a HEPA filter. Now, you can leave the bag in. You don't have to have the bag. You can use the bag with the HEPA filter or without. It just prevents a lot of the dirt and debris getting up on the HEPA filter, so I do recommend using the bags. Now, this comes off just by lifting up on this ring. Taking this ring off, and again, you're going to take this whole part off. Okay, so this is what comes with it. It's got like a foam and that filter and this ring. We're going to leave both of these off. Now, here's what we've got. We're going to get the filter. Simply, it just goes on there, kind of push it down a little bit. And we got to engage these ears with this. So put this adapter on and you're going to kind of rotate it and you're going to lock it. It's going to get tight. Okay, so now it's installed. Now, if I want to do wet dry vacuum, so if I want to do wet vacuuming, if I got a bunch of water, I still have to take this out and take the bag out. And then the water will just go right into the container. But for dirt and debris, this is really nice to use. So when you're putting it back on, just put the filter, wrap the bag around the filter like that, put it on, snap the latches. I don't notice any loss of suction, but it just really helps because you got a lot of exhaust coming out here and that HEPA filter just really eliminates a lot of the dust. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.